alaikum, dear students. Welcome to our today's online class. Already I given you the link where you will join my today's class. Is go to your WhatsApp group and join our today's class. After joining you, I will start my lesson today. So just I'm waiting for your joining. Amalina, can you see the screen? Some students already joined. Okay, so everyone just come on video mode. Just today's class I am recording. Ifaz and everyone just come on video mode and just, can you see the computer screen? Okay, so let's start our today's class. I welcome everyone in my today's class, and this is about myself. Just I am avoiding it. It's a formality. Then our today's subject is ICT chapter 4. Look at the picture and try to guess your today's topic. Completed. Now there is another another program name, programs icon. Then there is the name of program, VSQL, OpenOffice Calculator, then Excel. Can you see now? Let us see. That is our today's topic, right? Use of spreadsheet. So we will discuss about spreadsheet. What is our learning outcomes? Our learning outcomes is that after today's discussion, you will able to explain the relationship between ICT and spreadsheet. Then you can identify the fields of using spreadsheet. Then you can explain the uses of spreadsheet software, and you can just use the spreadsheet software MS Excel. Just a very basic idea I will give you about MS Excel. Just we will open this program and close and save this today, because beside our discussion, right? So let us start our today's topic. The first thing is that spreadsheet. So there has three picture. Have you seen? Amalina Farooq, have you seen the pictures? Okay, and okay, so there has three pictures. It's given in your book, page number 49. This three picture is that abacus, calculator, and computer. You know that at beginning for counting only. In that time, just people started counting by this device. It was not capable to do like this. What we can do right now with using modern computer. Later, the scientists invented the calculator, and they are capable to doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division type of things, right? Then later we got computer. So after inventing computer, just we got many solution, right? And now we are capable to do different types of difficult jobs using computer. Then concept of spreadsheet. The concept of spreadsheet, just it's given in your book, page number 49. There has some programs name, VSQL, then OpenOffice Calculator, then Excel. So VSQL is the first program, spreadsheet program, which is invented. Then Office Calculator. Then now the Excel. It's very latest program, right? Excel, using Excel we can do many types of calculation. So concept of spreadsheet program, it's given in page number 50. Have you seen in page number 50? You can open your book, page number 50, and you can look about the concept of spreadsheet program. Can you see the windows? Some of you just you drawing underline in your in your book. Just read with me and see with me. Not don't underline now, so that it's showing sketch in my monitor, because I am recording this one. Class will not be clear. So in which time the spreadsheet was invented? Can you see? In second paragraph it's given there. In the late of 70s, the Apple company at first invented the spreadsheet program. It called it VSQL. So what is the first spreadsheet program? It's a very common MCQ for you. The first spreadsheet program is VSQL. After that, software called Microsoft Excel, then OpenOffice, calculate this type of program as invented, and these are very popular now. Which one is very popular now? The very popular program is what? MS Excel. And using MS Excel, we can do many types of calculation. We can find out any addition, subtraction, multiplication. We can do different type of statistic. We can find out any percentage. We can complete the electricity bill, gas bill, then salary sheet, result sheet. So many types, invoice of different type of company statement. This type of jobs we can do. Out of this we can do so many things, such as I'll share with you some use fields where we using this. Then the next topic is that use of spreadsheet. Okay, can you see the pictures? Can you see the picture? Hello. Okay, what's the first picture? Please, anyone can read out. Yes, public exam result. Then second one, the budget yearly budget declaration. There is finance minister and some other ministers or MPs, right? They are doing a meeting and declaring the budget. Now another picture is there. The ex finance minister and our respective prime minister, they are going to declare the budget. Then fourth picture is that the mathematical calculation. Okay, there is a picture of mathematical calculation. Just I try to choose the uses of spreadsheet in this type of fields. We can use the spreadsheet. Some pictures, the cricket match, business account, statistics, scientific research. Can you see the picture now? Underline the book now. Please later you read again and underline. Just it scratching in my monitor, and the class is not clear. So don't underline in your book now. Just please do it later. Understand? Okay, so can you see the picture now? Business account, scientific research and statistic. Upoporichalo এর কার্যালয় বাংলাদেশ পরিসংখ্যান ব্যুরো, that means statistic like as population or some other statistic they use. These are the fields of using spreadsheet software. So can you guess some idea where we can use it? Okay, then how to use spreadsheet software? To use spreadsheet software, at first we have to click start button. Can you see the window? Can you see the picture? There I shows computer start button, right? Start button is red mark. Then all programs. Then in right side Microsoft Office. Then in drop down menu there has Microsoft Office Excel, right? This is the way how we will start MS Excel. Then have you seen? This is the way to open a file. Okay, later I shows here I am to identify the things. click new, click file menu, then new, then blank document, then create. After doing these things, we will get a blank Microsoft of Excel window, right? So okay, look at the picture. Can you see the MS Excel window? Okay, I shows here the cell pointer. There has some line, and these are the cell pointer. These are row and these are column. Where is row, column, these things I shows here. Have you seen? So these are about rows and column, and this is actually shortly I try to show you the way how you will open in MS Excel and the identity of MS Excel window, right? There is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is indicate is column, and 1, 2, 3 in left side. This is indicate as a row. Have you seen that? Have you seen properly? Okay, these are row. Then how to save a file? To save a file, we'll click Office button, then save as, then we'll select the location of file, then we'll write file name here, then we'll press enter or OK. Then we can save the file. I shows here the way. Office button, then save as, then write file name here, this. Okay, then your homework is to write 20 MCQ in your copy. Before that, just I'm showing you how to how to open MS Excel. Just we can see it practically. Just click start button, then MS Excel. If you don't find here in your program list, or if you not find all program, then what you will do? In the blank window, you will click right button. Can you see I have clicked right button? Then a pop down list will come. Then in right button, if we click Microsoft Excel worksheet, just it will just another program is open, that's why it's not showing in my monitor. Yes, here there is a program, right? Then we can open it. Yes, then there has A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, these are column, and there has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are row, and there is every point, every boxes, right? There is so many boxes. Each box is called cell. Understand? Such as there has E and there are 6. That is the cell address of this one, E6. Now G4. So to save it, just click Office, click File menu or Office button, then save as, then identify the location where, such as for desktop. Then we'll write the file name here, std8 test file, then save. Then we can save it, right? So this is all about. Then later, if I get the chance, I will show you how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and some other calculation in MS Excel file. And this is all about our today's class. Then the next portion is that next your homeworks. Your homework is that read out the chapter and write 20 MCQ in your practical copy. Okay. So if you have any question in today's class, okay, thank you very much. Thank you everyone.